Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm gonna show you how you can customize your Google Blogger website. So in my previous video I showed you how you can create a simple blog using Google Blogger website for free without paying any dime. So today I'm gonna show you how you can get a very nice templates like mine here. If I go to my website here, let me show you my template. So this is my website, as you can see, inkomora.com. If you look at my website, the view is very nice. It's very attracting. I have my email subscription here. I have where my videos are. Is where my latest blogs are. Everything is very nice. So I'm going to show you how you can get this template for free. So if you are interested in making money online, I suggest you subscribe to my channel now before later. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can also get a free template for your blog, something similar like this. Okay, so if I come to my website here, we are going to go to our search browser, search button on Google, then we are going to type in blogger template. Blogger template free. Just type in blogger template free. Okay, so once you click on blogger template free, you are going to click on the very first website that will pop up here, which is goyabitemplate.com. This one is where you are going to get our free templates. Once you click on it, you are going to see a bunch of templates that you can use as your own. Okay, so you have so many templates you can use for free here. So if you come here, there are three main blogger templates here. You have the responsive template, you have the free blogger template, and you have the SEO ready template. But in order to rank well on Google, I suggest we click on the SEO ready template. That is what I always use to create my own blog website. Okay, so as you scroll down, you're going to see different types of templates you can download and use as your own. So let's just say we are going to use the Pioneer one. So if I click on this and click on live preview, let's look at the live preview of this template. So this is how this template looks like. The Pioneer. Okay, so as you can see, it's very nice, very attractive for a traveling blog. It's very nice. Okay, so now how do you get this template and use as our own? It's very simple. Let's examine. We come to here where it says download, but if you want the premium features, which has all the necessary features, I suggest you buy, which is $12.95. But if you don't have that money, you click on download here, and you're going to get this template for free. So I'm going to show you how you can install this template, and you move to the next things you can do on our blog website. So if I actually click on here, when you download it, it's going to be in a zip file, so you have to extract it. So this is the one that says liveblogger.url is the template you are going to be used. So you just have to click on only that one, then extract. Then you can extract it to anywhere you want. So I'm just going to extract to downloads so that I can get it very fast. Okay, so now I'm done extracting them. Let me show you how you can change this blog from this to that. Okay, so once you come to the theme, then you click on restore, then you click on upload. Okay, so once you click on upload, as you can see it is here, then you click on live blogger. So I think I did a mistake. So this is it rather, sorry, I mistakenly extract something different. So this is the one with the free version. That's what we are going to extract. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, so we are done. Let's go to the theme, restore, upload. So now I click on Punya free version. If I click on it, as you can see, it says restoring theme here. So once it's done, I'm going to refresh my website and you're going to see the new look of this website. Okay, so if I refresh, as you can see, this is the new look of the website, and the blog post that I publish is same. So here you can add your social plugins, your YouTube, your Instagram, your WhatsApp. You can also put in your subscribe, your Facebook page here. Okay, so this is how you can get a free template for your new website. So if I actually come to the layout section, this is where you can edit your blogger template and make it more appealing and interesting as yours. Okay, so if you want a very detailed tutorial on how to customize this template as your own, I suggest you subscribe to my channel so that you get more tips on googleblogger.com. See you in the next one. Okay, bye.